Like every business, I found myself in the following situation. There are tons of things that I'm doing manually, really wasting my time that I can simply automate. I decided to give myself a 5-day challenge to see what workflows I can automate within our current system. This next series of 5 videos will show you each day what I automated within our workflow. It's never too late to get started to automate your business. I'd love to have you join me in this challenge and let me know in the comments below what you decided to automate.
Hi, my name is Tara, and I'm a certified Monday.com partner and the founder of Simple Day. My goal is to help you build powerful yet simple workflows with Monday.com. If you need help with a custom implementation, my contact details are in the description below. Let's jump into today's tutorial and make Monday the best part of your week.
In today's automation challenge, I decided to address my proposals. If you haven't seen any of the previous videos in this series, or videos that I've done in general, because I've had a few about these lately, I use a tool called Anchor to send out my proposals. Anchor is basically an end-to-end tool that starts with sending out proposals. An agreement is signed. You can have the client enter their payment information directly into Anchor, and then you can automatically bill them at certain intervals. This also integrates with QuickBooks and Xero. Again, if this is something that's relevant for you, there is a description below. So I use Anchor to send out my proposals. And then from there, when I send out my proposals, the client enters in either their credit card or the ACH information, and they are automatically billed when they're supposed to be billed. But what I found is that with my proposals is that I was going back and forth manually between Monday and Anchor sending out these proposals. Now, Anchor does have templates, and I'm going to show them to you. So you can see over here that I'm in Anchor, and here are my different proposal templates. So if I want to send a client a proposal, let's just say they want one of these services, I can literally click on this and create a new proposal. So let's jump over here. And first, I'm going to show you what it looks like. If I click on edit, you can see here's all the information about my proposal. I have a title, the description, how often it's billed, the pricing, and I have a bunch of different options to just show you a little bit about how this works. You can add a discount and you can decide what your billing trigger is. Now, if I want to send a proposal to a client, so I can come into Anchor and I can click on use template, and let's setting out the proposal for discovery and an audit. And here you can see I have all the information that's pulled from my template. I just need to enter in the contact information. If I want, I can make a few edits and I can simply send it right away. The issue is that I was in Monday and now I need to come to Anchor in order to create the proposal. It's true I have the templates, but I had to automatically create it. So let me show you what we did. Here I'm back in my Monday CRM. And you can see that I added a status column for the Anchor template. Now, these templates correspond to the templates that I just showed you within Anchor. So if I change this to audit, which is the one that, again, we just looked at in this video, and I change this status to create editable proposal, what's going to happen is that it's going to automatically create a proposal within Anchor using this template. That's the key thing. Creating the proposal for me, but it's using this specific template. Because remember, I spoke to the client and this is the template I want them to have. So just to review, if you look over here, you can see that I have nothing in drafts. Now let's go back here and we're going to change this to create editable proposal. And now let's see what happens in Anchor. As you can see, my draft proposal showed up here within Anchor. This was the information that we had. It was for Jesse's company. And if I look at the proposal, you can see that it's the template for the Monday discovery and audit. So essentially, just to review what we did is when I'm on the call with a client, I can choose which Anchor template I want to send to them. Then I simply need to change the status to say create editable template. And it's going to pull the template from within Anchor and automatically create the proposal for the user using that template. This has really saved me a lot of time.
Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.